thought the show was brilliant. I thought the performers were amazing. Beautiful storytelling, our Polynesian culture, song, comedy, humor. Anytime that our Polynesian culture can be at the forefront of something, especially something that pierces culture, like Cirque du Soleil, is beautiful.
From the beginning of my research, I always wanted to share the stories and to put Hawaii front and center for the world to see. I really wanted the community to be proud of the show, and so far they are.
We're no longer apologetic about who we are. We stand in our olelo, we stand in our culture. It is in us. With this incredible opportunity with Cirque, you cannot beat that.